Cabbage benefits. 13 impressive health benefits of cabbage. Although cabbage is packed with nutrients, it's still not as popular as broccoli and kale. All of these vegetables, including cauliflower, belong to the same plant species known as brassica. Cabbage is loaded with vitamins and minerals, making it a great addition to your diet for overall health and skin benefits. It comes in various colors, including white, red, green, and purple. In today's video, we'll explore 13 impressive health benefits of cabbage. 1. Helps in cancer prevention. Scientists have discovered that certain vegetables, like cabbage, can help reduce the risk of bowel cancer. Research indicates that when indole 3-carbinol, a compound in cabbage, passes through the digestive system, it is altered by stomach acid. This modification influences the behavior of cells in the bowel lining. Since the bowel lining is constantly regenerating, its renewal is regulated by how cells interact. Without this chemical in the gut, the uncontrolled division of stem cells may occur, potentially leading to cancer. Studies have shown that this compound protected mice at high risk of cancer. Another compound found in cabbage, sulforaphane, also has cancer-fighting properties. This chemical is activated only when the vegetables are chopped and chewed. Research suggests that sulforaphane can inhibit harmful enzymes that promote cancer cell progression and can help stop cancer growth in the body. Additionally, studies indicate that it may be beneficial in treating lung and breast cancer. 2. Good for your heart. Red cabbage contains a plant pigment called anthocyanin, the same compound responsible for the vibrant colors in many fruits and vegetables. The bioactive compounds in these foods are linked to a lower risk of chronic vascular diseases, CVD. Anthocyanin, in particular, offers protection against CVD by combating oxidative stress. Studies on postmenopausal women have shown that consuming just 0.2 milligrams per day of anthocyanin is associated with a reduced risk of CVD. This highlights a strong connection between anthocyanin intake and a lower risk of heart disease. Additionally, cabbage is low in sodium, which is beneficial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. 3. Better digestion by eating cabbage. Cabbage, being rich in dietary fiber, is an excellent addition to your diet for enhancing overall digestion. There are two main types of fiber: soluble fiber, which dissolves in water to form a gel that aids digestion, and insoluble fiber, which doesn't dissolve but adds bulk to stool, facilitating easier passage through the bowel and regulating bowel movements. Cabbage juice can also be beneficial for relieving stomach pain and ulcers due to its anti-ulcer properties. Additionally, cabbage promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which supports the health of the immune system. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cabbage is rich in flavonoids and anthocyanin, which have made it a popular herbal remedy for many years. It also contains a variety of antioxidants that can help lower inflammation risk. Research suggests that cabbage's anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in treating skin inflammation as well. 5. Helps in weight control. If you're aiming to lose weight, cabbage is an excellent choice due to its low calorie content. It is also packed with nutrients and fiber, which helps you feel full longer and supports better digestion. These qualities make cabbage a recommended addition to any weight loss diet. 6. Good for pregnant women. Constipation is a common issue during pregnancy, and cabbage can be a helpful addition to your diet because it's high in dietary fiber, which aids in regulating bowel movements. Including cabbage in your pregnancy diet can help alleviate constipation. Additionally, its high fiber content assists in managing blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of gestational diabetes. Cabbage is also a rich source of folic acid, which is crucial for fetal DNA development and helps protect against neural tube defects. Consuming low-calorie foods like cabbage can also help manage weight gain during pregnancy. Moreover, Cabbage leaves can help draw out excess fluid from the body, making them useful for managing swelling during and after pregnancy. 7. Good for your vision. The beta-carotene in cabbage helps prevent macular degeneration and lowers the risk of developing cataracts, which can lead to blurry and cloudy vision. Additionally, the powerful antioxidants found in cabbage help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can protect against eye damage and maintain good vision. 8. Heals intestinal barrier or intestinal lining. Cabbage contains a natural compound called glutamine, which is highly effective in treating and preventing ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulitis, and gastritis. 9. Good for vitamin K deficiency. Vitamin K is essential for proper blood clotting. If you're experiencing a deficiency in vitamin K, incorporating cabbage into your diet could be highly beneficial. Cabbage is a rich source of vitamin K, as well as manganese, folate, calcium, and vitamin B6. Raw cabbage provides approximately 76.0 micrograms of vitamin K per 100 grams. For a 2,000 calorie diet, this amount covers about 95% of the daily recommended intake of 80 micrograms. A single cup of raw, chopped cabbage typically contains about 67.6 micrograms of vitamin K. 10. Anti-aging properties. Cabbage contains indole-free carbonyl, a potent antioxidant that helps detoxify the liver. It supports skin health by removing toxins from the blood. Incorporating cabbage into your daily diet, along with other cruciferous vegetables, can offer anti-aging benefits. The vitamin C in cabbage helps delay signs of aging, while vitamin A works with vitamin D to promote healthy, clear skin and protect it from UV damage. Additionally, cabbage has healing properties and can aid in the treatment of arthritis. 11. Provide flawless skin naturally. Cabbage not only enhances your skin's appearance, but also supports overall skin health. The vitamin A in cabbage helps improve complexion, and cabbage juice is often used to brighten and even out skin tone. Additionally, the potassium in cabbage helps purify both the body and skin, contributing to a flawless look. 12. Sulfur in cabbage prevents acne. Sulfur is known as nature's beauty mineral due to its drying properties, which help treat acne. It plays a crucial role in protein synthesis and the production of substances like keratin, which are essential for maintaining healthy hair, nails, and skin. Additionally, sulfur aids in purifying the blood and eliminating toxins. Therefore, cabbage juice, which contains sulfur, is beneficial for managing acne. 13. Stimulates hair growth. Cabbage is packed with nutrients such as vitamins, calcium, magnesium, iron, and sulfur, making it beneficial for your hair, much like other cruciferous vegetables. It contains vitamin A, which has antioxidants that promote hair growth. Cabbage nourishes your hair, leaving it silky and shiny. If cabbage isn't currently part of your diet, now is the perfect time to start incorporating this fantastic vegetable. It's available year-round, has a long shelf life in the fridge, and is budget-friendly, making it easy to include in your healthy eating plan. You can whip up a tasty stir-fried spicy cabbage quickly, even when you're feeling lazy or short on ingredients. All you need is a bit of oil, cabbage, and eggs for a nutritious meal. For something more elaborate, consider making cabbage soup, cabbage rolls, kimchi, stew, hash, roasted cabbage, kolkanen, noodles with cabbage, sauerkraut, or red lentil and cabbage dal, among other delicious and nutrient-rich dishes. Will you start consuming cabbage after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.